This region is completely devastated. I've been a resident of Lafourche Parish for 40 years, and I have never seen anything like this. This is very comparable to it's worse than Hurricane Betsy, which until last week was the worst storm we've ever been hit with. Our utility infrastructure here is about 90% on the ground. Homes are destroyed. I do not have a single employee that works in this yard that doesn't have damage to their house. So we've been, working very hard to safely clear the roads so that we can see our infrastructure, so that emergency vehicles could pass should there be an issue. And then we're gonna start chipping away at this thing. We're gonna take one step at a time. We're gonna do it safely. We're gonna do it as a team. We have a lot of support around us, but it's gonna take a lot of logistics. It's gonna take a lot of people. It's gonna take special equipment, and it's gonna take time and patience for us to do this safely. So how do you compartmentalize? It's difficult. It's very difficult. I'm the leader of this group. I'm a leader of this group that is in a heavily damaged, impacted area that most of us grew up in. So it's very emotional. This project is very emotional for us. This is our home. It's our families. It's our moms and our dads and our grandmas and our friends. It's tough, but you have to take that passion and you have to drive it into rebuilding the community and making it better. Y'all, it is heartbreaking. It is heartbreaking to be out there. It is heartbreaking to see what we're seeing. People's lives are devastated. Our community as we know it is not what it was before, but we're gonna get through it and we're gonna rebuild. We have amazing leadership. We have people that are passionate about what they're doing, and not just Entergy employees, our community as a whole. We have gotten through extremely difficult situations, and this is the worst thing I've ever seen happen to this community in my life. But we're gonna do it. We're gonna get there. In a year, in 2 years, we're gonna look back and we're gonna say, man, that was hard, but wasn't it amazing how we all pulled together and got to where we are today?